Hi guys, I hope you are all well. In today's video, and especially for those that are on a budget, I will present to you Unior's Hobby external bottom bracket wrench. I'll give you some information about that tool, and then I'll show you how to take off and install external bottom bracket cups from your bike. Okay, let's go. An external bottom bracket wrench is necessary to remove and install external bottom bracket cups from the shell. This wrench is made of hardened and tempered special tool steel and is chrome plated to comply with EN 12540. Finally, it is plastic dipped for comfort. It fits Shimano Holotech 2 type cups and all of those that are compatible with that model. It can also be used with 15mm and 20mm center lock rings. The wrench features a long shaft to remove cups that have been installed for a long time, as well as installing them to manufacturer's torque requirement. For a standard BSA shell, unthread the drive side cup clockwise. Unthread the non-drive side cup anti-clockwise. After removing both cups, clean the shell and apply a new layer of grease. Engage and tighten the non-drive side cup clockwise. Manufacturer's torque requirement should be respected. Engage and tighten the drive side cup anti-clockwise. Again, manufacturer's torque requirement should be respected. Okay guys, I hope this video will be useful to you. If it does, don't forget to like the video. If you have any questions concerning Unior's Hobby external bottom bracket wrench, feel free to contact us or your local dealer and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, I'll see you soon.